Good day, everyone. I am Sir Jerickson S. Chua, and welcome to Empowerment Technologies.
So, how hard is it to create a web page? Okay, so for today's lesson, we're going to discuss our lesson 8, which is all about basic web page creation. Our learning objective at the end of the lesson, you should be able to create a web page using MS Word, create your own website using free hosting application, design a website using an online visiting platform, and edit your elements for your website. Okay, so we have a question here. How basic is basic? Imagine the way our ancestors do fishing. They use fishing rod or spear to catch fish. Today, huge companies rule for fishing industry with their huge fishing vessels with huge nets to catch fish by truckload. Unfortunately, those fishing vessels are not affordable, so we will still be using our fishing rod or spear or net. So, however, that is not in the case of web page creation. First, the internet is free according to our book. And second, it is because of free courtesy of many website providers that provide basic functionalities of our websites to function. So back in the day, we have to learn what we call HTML or hypertext markup language and CSS to be able to create a decent website. But today, we will use a WYSIWYG editor. Okay, so when we say WYSIWYG, this is an acronym for what you see is what you get. So this means that whatever you type, insert, draw, place, or rearrange, and everything that you do on the page are what the audience will see. Like using Microsoft Word, WYSIWYG shows and prints whatever you type on the screen. And using our this WYSIWYG editor, as I mentioned earlier, people use HTML codes to create pages and CSS codes to design them. But if you have taken up these coding skills before, it will be an helpful tool in creating pages using what we call WYSIWYG. If you have not, okay, WYSIWYG is designed for anyone who has not or does not have prior coding skills. So let's try to create a web page using our Microsoft Word. So let's watch this. People use HTML codes to create pages and CSS codes to design them. If you have taken up these coding skills before, it will help you in creating pages using WYSIWYG. If you have not, WYSIWYG is designed for anyone who has not or does not know prior coding skills. Before we proceed to using an online WYSIWYG platform, let us try this. Open your Microsoft Word, type anything on the page like, "Welcome to my website." Then I placed here a poem that I created. This is called Infatuation. After that, you can also place some of pictures or GIF on your possible web page. Then, what you're going to do now is go to web layout for you to see what will be the possible output using your HTML. Then, so as you can see, you can adjust. Let's adjust the content so that we can see that the website is arranged in a way or in a manner that it will be presented beautifully. Okay, let's just adjust this. So these pictures are actually GIF. So when I will be creating this as a website, the pictures will move. So once you have placed the content of your possible website, you need to save this as. So go to File, then Save As. Then you need to browse where will it be saved. And then the file type should be an HTML format. So web page. And then you need to click Save. Okay, yes. Okay, once you have saved that, go to the place where you have saved the website and then you just need to double click it and then it will play on your browser. So as you can see, here is the website and the GIF. Okay, so that's how you create a simple website using your Microsoft. So now that we are able to create a web page using your Microsoft Word, let's now create your own website using Wix.com. So Wix is a web hosting service where it offers some free professional and business web hosting services. So through this Wix app, we can create our own website as our final projects for this particular subject. Okay, so your goal is to place all the activities that we have done for the past few weeks, and then you're going to create a simple description of all the activities that you have created. Okay, so how do we create WYSIWYG website using Wix.com? Let's watch this video.
Hello everyone, my name is David Lee and I am a Wix certified trainer. And today I would like to give you a quick tutorial on how to easily create a stunning website with Wix.com. Without further ado, let's get started. First go to Wix.com and then click on the Start Now button. Here you can sign up via Facebook or Google+, or you can type in your email address. Make sure to choose the I'm a new user option, and then type in your password. After clicking go, retype your email address and password, and then sign up. Now you have the option to choose a template. Choose a category that best fits your website. For example, if you want a website that showcases your music and promotes your band, you can click on Music. I'm currently in need of a professional education website, so I will go ahead and click on Other. Here you are provided with numerous stylish website templates based on your category. Scroll through all the pages and find a template you like best. You have the option to first view a template to get a sense of how it will look live on the web. I really like the layout of this site, so I will go ahead and click on the Edit button in the corner. For me, my favorite functionality in Wix is the drag and drop feature of any element you see on a page. No coding required. Simply drag and drop text, images, menus, and galleries to any location you want. You'll be given options to manipulate it however you wish. Let's first start with the page background. You can click on the background and change the page design here, or the page background here. Page background allows you to change the color, image, or video of the background. Wix provides awesome stock photos and videos for you to use for your background. I have a video I made that I would love to use, so I will click on Video. Upload videos. Select the video. Upload it. Then click Change Background. The size limit for the video is 50 megabytes. We can now preview our site here to see the video background in action. You can also find the background options in the menu bar on the left. Now I want to change the title of the website. Let me first ungroup these text boxes. Double-click on the text box or click on Edit Text. You can change the font size, resize the text boxes using the lines and small circles. You can group elements by selecting multiple items. With a Mac, hold Command and click. For PCs, hold Control and click. After selecting multiple elements, the Group Elements button will appear. You can also choose to animate your elements as well. You can delete an element by clicking on it and then pressing delete on your keyboard. Let's go ahead and save what we have so far. Now to add the logo of my site. I will go to the Add section on the left, go to Image, My Image Uploads, and then select an image. You can also upload an image from your computer. Seeing that there's some extra space here, I'm going to add a photo gallery. To do this, go back to Add, Gallery, and select the gallery. I'll add the slideshow strip and place it at the top. Click on it to change the images and add effects. Upload or select your images and then click Done. In Settings, you have the option to autoplay and indicate the amount of seconds between each image. I kind of want a filtered effect to my images in this slideshow. What I can do is add a strip background. You have a lot of elegantly designed strips, but for my purposes, I'm going to choose the classic white and then place it over my slideshow. Click on Change Strip Background, go to Settings, and then change the opacity. You can also include a video from YouTube or Vimeo. Double-click on the video and search a video, or type in the URL of a specific video. You have the option to autoplay, loop, and also take away controls. There will be times when you want an element and everything below it to go up or down. To do this, click on the element or elements and drag the drag handle. As you can see, everything below what you selected gets dragged up or down. You can view all your web pages up here. Rearrange any of the pages and rename them by double-clicking. You can add a page here. Change its info like the name, hide it from the menu, or set it as your home page. You can also choose the layout, add restrictions, and add SEO information to help people better find your page on search engines. I want this blog page to be 5th in the menu at the top. Simply click here and drag the page to the specific location. Wix allows you to integrate a blog into your site. Go back to Add, Blog, and choose a layout. Manage your blog here, or add a new blog post. If you have social media accounts for your brand or company, I recommend going to Add, Social, and then adding a social bar. Here you also have the option to include cool social media widgets and buttons. Drag the social bar into any location. Click Set Social Links, and then add a link to each icon. You don't have to use these icons. You can upload your own if you have them on your computer. Up next is the very popular Wix App Market. Here you can insert apps that enriches your website and provides more functionalities. For example, you can add a chat feature, an online store, booking features, apps for restaurants, marketing, and even music. Right now, I'll show you how to add the Instagram app. But first, I will need to decide which page I would like to place it in. I think I will place it under the work page. The crossed out I here indicates that you can't see the page in the top menu. Okay, now I'm ready to add my Instagram app. Click on Social and find the app. Click on Settings, then Connect Account, and type in your username and password. In Settings, you can change the layout, additional settings, and design. Now every time you upload a picture on Instagram, it will automatically appear here. These type of widgets can be powerful tools. If your web page is really long, I recommend inserting an anchor menu like this one. Go to Add, Menu, scroll down to Anchor Menus and select one. Visitors can navigate your page with just a simple click. Wix also allows you to edit the mobile version of your site. Click here and switch to mobile view. Here you can optimize the look of your site when seen on a smartphone or tablet. Now that we are done, it is time to publish the site. Now your website is live. All this is free. You do have the option to upgrade your site here. You can connect your site to a professional domain and also remove the Wix brand ads you will find on the free version. One last thing is site history. Go to Site and Site History. Here you can go back in time to view or restore any version of your site that you've ever saved or published. So make sure you save your work frequently. You can check out my website, davidleeedtech.org, to see the awesome potential of Wix.com. The link is in the description below. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, click the like button if you enjoyed the tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.
So, in summary of our discussion, WYSIWYG stands for what you see is what you get. So, this is an editor that allows you to create, design web pages without any coding knowledge. You can use Microsoft Word and MS Excel as a WYSIWYG editor. So, Wix is a tool that will allow you to sell your product online, create your own photo gallery, add videos, and many more. Okay, so for our quote of the day, having an attractive and well-designed website for your business creates an opportunity to influence people's mindset. Okay, so later on, I am expecting that you will create a very good e-portfolio, which includes all the performance tasks and written works for this subject. And it will also include the reflection of all the things that you have learned from our past discussions. So for our activity, we're going to do our fourth beta, which is creating an infographic poster. So this is the evaluation activity of our discussion from our previous lesson. Okay, so you're going to create an infographic poster using www.pictochart.com or canva.com on how to cope up with stress during the pandemic. I will be showing you some examples later on our GC so that you will have a guide on how to create this particular infographic poster. And once you have created this poster, you're going to export your output as an image format and to be submitted via LMS. Then after you have finished that, you're going to create an account in www.wix.com, and then through the use of your Gmail account, you can access the website. Okay, so once you have created your account, you need to create an introduction about your e-portfolio. So the sample of e-portfolio is on your LMM, so you may just browse other samples on that particular document, and you also need to integrate all the activities and PETA submitted in the subject. So for the activities, so you just need to create a screenshot or photo of activities 1 to 3, and for your performance task, PETA 1 until PETA 4. Okay, so screenshot and photo, and if you can just place some short description, it would be better. So why do we need to create an account in Wix.com? So that later on, when you will be submitting your portfolio, we have already placed half of the activities on your website.
Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have learned many things from our discussion. See you on our next lesson. Keep safe and God bless.